What's up guys, in this video we're gonna be unboxing this Leagoo T5c right there. This phone is powered by Intel. This is not MediaTek, this is not Snapdragon, this is Intel processor, and I suppose this is not the first Intel processor phone. I remember back in 2002 there's one phone from Orange Mobile. But anyway, let's go straight into the unboxing. So I don't know what I'm going to be getting. Bearing in mind, this phone is a super budget phone, not the cheapest budget phone. This phone costs less than 100 quid. I think 75 pounds. It cost me. 3 gig RAM, 32 gig RAM is still alright. I mean, it's still alright for some people. I mean, I can manage something like that too. So let's see. So don't expect too much from the device. But let's see what the device has got. So that's it. I think I got the black version. Alright, so I put that away. So that's the phone right there. Put this here. So what else do we have in the box? So let's see. Okay, I have to just tip it out, man. Alright. Oh, so that one is practically empty. So it has a SIM ejector. What do we have here? I can see jelly case. Nice. Okay, so this is a jelly case. Leave it there. And this is micro USB cable, and this is your charger and adapter. So that's it. Oh, it's different. I like that foil on there. It's to just make it look original and genuine. Yeah, that's alright. So I think was okay. This is just paperwork. Yeah, that's everything in the box. So that's everything in the box. So let's put the box away. So as you can see, the phone does look premium, and to be honest, it's not heavy at all. It's just practically 3000 milliamp battery. You shouldn't get that kind of heavy phone. But considering how big it is, I mean, it's very lightweight, and that seems to be interesting to me. You wouldn't feel it that this phone is in your pocket. Judging by all the Chinese smartphone I've been reviewing in the past, this is very lightweight. So very quick look of the specification of the device. As you can see from the front, it's got front facing flash. This is your 5 megapixel selfie camera, and on this side, volume rocker, power button, micro USB charger. Good job. Speaker, no stereo speaker. They're not fooling us this time around. No stereo speaker, just your speaker and your microphone. Then at the back you got 30 megapixel camera and 2 megapixel camera, and your LED flash. This is not quad LED or true tone. This is just single big round LED flash, which is alright. I mean, considering the price, you can't get too much from this device. In case you're wondering about the screen is 5.5 inches full HD. 5.5 inches full HD, Intel processor, octa-core CPU, 1.8 gigahertz. The highest core is clocking out is 1.8 gigahertz, and the phone battery is 3000 milliamp battery, and it support fast charging. And the device is powered by Android 7.0. So let's put the device on. Let's see what it's capable of doing. So from there we can set up the device. Alright guys, the phone is set up and I've installed some application on the device. And first and foremost, I kind of like the user interface of the phone. I mean, it's sleek. You slide up to get your widget, the themes and the effect, So I kind of like that. So I installed some application like I said earlier. Let's see the Wi-Fi speed test. Let's see what we're gonna be getting on this device. If your phone has a terrible Wi-Fi band, it's not gonna pick so much. So let's see what we're gonna be getting. Oh, that's not too bad. I mean, you can see for yourself, this is not too bad for a budget phone. I mean, it's not the cheapest budget phone I've seen, but for the specification, I think is very good among its class, you know. So this is not too bad. 50 upload, no, 50 download, and I think 18 upload. So that's not too bad for what you're getting for this device. So what I'm gonna be testing, I'm gonna be jumping into the Antutu to see what we're gonna be getting for this score. You know, I always say I don't really fancy that score, but before we go into Antutu, let's look at the settings. Let's see what we're getting in the settings. I want to see the storage left. You know, this is a 32 gig phone, so what storage do we have left? Where is the storage? Okay, so currently 8 gig is used out of 32 gig, probably because I downloaded some applications, so it adds up. So I suppose those applications can add up to 1 gig, so probably 7 gig out of the box. Not too bad for the phone. I mean, not too bad. 40% left on battery. And the navigation bar, okay, if in case you're wondering how the navigation bar does set up, this is it. And this one, if you choose this one, it's going to open the notification panel. You see it's at the bottom of the screen. So let's come to the home screen. So let's do this. Wow, did you see that? If you press that button, it opened the notification panel. This is smart. I like it. For Wi-Fi calling, this one is getting impressive, you know. It's getting impressive. Anyway, so I don't really want to do this, but I'm just gonna let me go back. So let me choose this one because it's my favorite. So let's run the Antutu benchmarking now. Oh, wait a minute, sorry about that. Let's see, does it have adaptive brightness? Yeah, you see auto brightness is there. That's not too bad for this phone. I mean, it keeps surprising me every minute, so I don't really expect much for the device, like I said earlier, but telling you guys, I'm very impressed. You know, I just like the look and the feel. It's very light. I'm still coming back to the camera, you know. I don't know what I'm gonna be getting, but this phone doesn't look like all the Chinese devices that I've been reviewing. You know, they kind of focus on same side, but I think they focus on another dimension. You know, they're looking it from another angle, which I kind of like it. You know, the icons, the user interface, everything. So let's jump into Antutu, guys. Alright guys, so the phone finally finished the test. As you can see, it's cost 67,993. This is not too bad. I mean, for the price and the scores, I was expecting something less, and I kind of like this version of the benchmarking. It kind of differentiate the CPU, the GPU, the UX, and the RAM. You know, these are the scores in each department, which is not too bad. I mean, I kind of like it. So for me, the impression of the phone is super cool. I mean, I've had no regret. Now, since this unboxing, there's nothing that I didn't like about the phone. So we're still getting on. Let's see the sound quality, the picture quality. Then from there, we can test the phone further. I mean, by review the phone, see what I like, what I don't like. So I'm gonna be jumping into the camera test, guys. Alright guys, so these are the camera interface of the phone does look like. You know, in case you wonder, this is beauty mode, this one is depth mode, photo and video. I mean, let's go into the settings. Wow, HDR, slow-mo. Wow, slow-mo for this device. I'm gonna test this slow-mo in big way. That's good. I mean, night view. This is cool. I've never had any phone. This is time lapse. They call it fast motion, and this one is depth for focus, like, you know, bokeh effect. All right, so the bokeh effect is still what we get in those. You can see it's just vignette. You focus on a particular part, and you couldn't even blur the background properly, but that's all right. So this is just a budget phone. But let's put it on HDR. I like the slow man, I like the time lapse. This is what you don't get on those Chinese devices, you know. Probably because it's using the Intel processor. Maybe that's why you have this. I'm not sure. So let's take a picture, guys. Let's see how the picture quality does look like. The sound is not too bad. I mean, it's different, though there's a shorter delay. To be honest with you, the picture quality is what I expected, you know. So I'm not really disappointed in this part. You know, I'm not disappointed in this department. So it's just everything I expected from the device. So let's take this one. Not too bad. Still what I'm expecting. I'm gonna turn off the HDR because it's slow, shorter delay. So let's remove the HDR capture. Okay, it's still on HDR. So how do you come back? Okay, you just have to cancel it. And let's see. There's loads of stuff here to play with, you know. Loads of stuff to play with. I'm gonna come back to that later, you know. So let's take a normal picture now. Let's see how it does look like. Still shorter delay, no problem. Still shorter delay, no problem. It's a budget phone, so it can be forgiven. So this device is all right. I mean, from what I'm getting, I'm not happy with everything the device is offering, you know, guys. So for me, guys, I think this device is super cool. I mean, it's a budget phone that you need, you know, that budget phone that you must buy, you know, as a secondary phone. I've never tried the Intel processor. Hopefully they will go into flagship devices. I mean, bringing more powerful processor. Maybe they are yet to compete, but for me, it's still all right. I mean, the price and what I'm getting, I think I'm getting more than what I paid for now. Usually I used to say you get what you paid for, but now I'm getting more than what I paid for. £75, you know, 1080p display, 5.5 inches, fingerprint sensor, the camera is okay, everything is super smooth. I mean, I kind of like the device. Maybe it's the processing power, or maybe it's the company itself, maybe it's the UI. Everything about this phone is just all right. You know, you can say, why are you praising this phone too much? Because I wasn't expecting this. You know, I expected just something all right, but I think I kind of like the device. So let's test the YouTube. Let's go YouTube and see what you're gonna be getting for sound quality. Bear in mind, it's just one single speaker, so this is not a stereo speaker. So let's see what you're gonna be getting for sound quality on YouTube. So let me play this video of mine. Do I need the music? And can you watch in 1080p? Yeah, you can watch in 1080p. And the viewing angle, let's see. So for me, it's all right. I'm not gonna complain if I have this phone. I'll be happy because I didn't pay much for the device. Let's go to where I kind of play music in the video. This sound quality is not something that is on that, you know, awesome aspect. Let's be honest, because I can hear some rattling noise from the speaker. But most people use headphone jack, and fortunately this phone has 3.5mm audio jack, so why should you complain? Guys, I think I'm gonna stop here. Then I'm gonna test this device. I'm interested in the slow-mo in the video aspect. I want to see what you can get in video and slow-mo and time-lapse. Thank you for watching my video. I do appreciate your time as usual, and I will see you when I make a new video. Bye. God bless.